Hello viewers, my name is Alina Petrova. I'm a Russian gray hat hacker. I do full-time gray hat hacking for my living. This is my way for full-time income. I create video tutorial for you on YouTube about new hacking tricks and tips. So, on my previous episode, I have given a tutorial on my channel how to explore the dark web. If you are not a professional, you don't want to do a hacking career in the dark web, then you can explore the dark web in that way. If you plan to earn money through dark web hacking and build a career in this field, it is essential to follow specific rules and take necessary precautions before exploring the dark web. First of all, for safety reasons, a hacker must prioritize anonymity and take all necessary steps to protect their identity. As discussed in the previous section, that if you access the dark web, your location not removed from the Tor network, as the network can still identify from where or which location you are connected. To understand this more clearly, first we need to open the Tor browser. Now the website that I entered is hooer.net. The website will show the IP address and the location from which the Tor network is accessed. Now I will try to make you understand what does the Tor browser actually give you. They will route your location to a new location and then give access to Tor network. Okay? Then they will route your location to another location. Like now I'm browsing from Russia, but when I connect to the Tor network, the browser connects from Croatia. Okay? So, if you take another identity in Tor browser and you browse the same website again, you will see that another new identity will be given to you. As much as you change your identity from here, you will see that you are browsing from another new place. For example, now if you are from Sweden, you can understand that when you connect Tor network from Tor browser, it will hide your real location, and after hiding, it will connect to another proxy in your browser, and through that proxy, it will take you to Tor network. But when you are connected to Tor network, it can still determine the location from which the connection originates. Okay, is that clear? If you browse Tor network on any website, now the dark CC vendor will know that you are accessing from this location, but Tor network knows it well. If someone comes to Tor connection in their network, they will know that what is your actual IP. They have given a new IP to hide your actual IP. In that case, they know your real IP and from where are you accessing it. For this, we have to install another shield to cover up. We will connect a VPN to our PC and hide our real location. After hiding the real location, I will connect to the Tor network so that the Tor network will not get information about my real location again. This is the safest way. Now you can see that the Tor network hides your real location, connects you to a new location, and then you access the dark web vendor. The dark web vendor knows that you are coming from this location, but Tor network knows your actual location. In that case, you are not safe. So, what should you do to be safe? For this, I will give you a VPN name. It is called Urban VPN. This is a free VPN, so you can use it for free. If you want, you can use another VPN. This VPN works well. I have downloaded it and installed it before. So, let's see how to install it. You can download the VPN from here, and it is available for free. I have downloaded it once, so I will not download it again. I will cancel it. Now I will install the VPN. It is being installed. There is also a Chrome extension for Urban VPN. We have set it to continue using the free version. After enabling the free option, we can choose a location from here. Let's see what happens if we select Costa Rica. Now it is connected to Costa Rica, and this is our IP address. That means my PC is in Russia, but the location shown is Costa Rica. In other words, the apparent location of my PC is Costa Rica. I am already hiding my local IP. Now I will open the Tor browser. Tor browser is opening, and I will connect to the Tor network. Now we are connected to the Tor network. It says that we have just arrived in the Netherlands on the Tor network. So let's recap. If we want to keep our identity safe in dark web, what we need to do is use a VPN to mask our location and then connect to the Tor network. Although Tor browser has its own mechanism, as we saw at the beginning of this video, it will assign a new identity and a new IP before connecting to the Tor network. But Tor browser or network has information about the location from which you are accessing it. So, we changed this location information using a VPN. Now, if you place an order with any dark web vendor or browse the dark web, you will have full protection and a complete shield, which provides full safety. No one will be able to trace you now. This is the safest way to browse the dark web, to explore the dark web, or do any work on the dark web. Okay? And of course, if you want to purchase any financial service on the dark web, you must complete this process first. Before opening the browser, you must hide your location with a VPN. Then, you will be able to access the IP routing system of the network. In that case, your location will be changed twice. So, guys, this is my trusted vendor. I work with them, and I buy cards from them. So, in my next videos, I will review their business, show how you can buy cards from them, and explain how you can make money online. I will show you, okay? In my next video, I'll explain that, how to do carding directly, or how to make money from dark web. So, before going to those videos, I already gave you a video tutorial on how to be anonymous. So, up to today's video, you have seen how to explore the dark web in the safest way. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.